It was too joyous. If the short duration is a bit of an unfair advantage.
She is Mama Raora, right? So she definitely knows. This show may or may not be rigged. Who knows? I hope we have any talent scouts that are looking to hire coughing babies. We take a percentage. Next contestant.
Another cute contestant.
Pretty good baby.
Another pretty good baby.
Yes, it does seem as if people are really leaning into the coughing babies now that we are going further into the contest.
Yeah, I'm really seeing some strong contenders here. I have to say, I was fully convinced right at the end. I got a little bit of Chihuahua in there. Just right at the end. So I may have to deduct a little bit from baby similarity for the end.
Is it the bias showing once again?
No.
Oh.
Certainly not.
It's us, your unbiased judges.
Yes.
I will also... It's because she came on looking sad. Is it a part of the acting that made me feel more that she was baby? Because she looked so sad, and I wanted to take care of her.
Yeah, she did look sad.
So it really helped her performance that she was acting along with it, too.
Yeah, I would say the Goo Goo Gagas were there due to the performance.
But you're right. It does share the same problems with Rara's performance, where it was just giving Rara. It was giving Kiara at the end of that.
Just a bit at the end.
Thinking, oh, this is a tough one. Okay. Her Goo Goo Gagas. All right. It's because she looked sad. I was getting sad, baby. That was a Goo Goo Gaga. Sound frequency, I will say I didn't really want to take care of her. I would just like, Goo Goo Gaga. I want to say Goo Goo Gaga back to her.
You want to have a baby conversation with her.
Yes. But the baby similarity, because I wanted to baby back at her, I will say the baby similarity was quite high. All right. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Pretty high babies.
Pretty high score. It's like, once again,
that is a decent score. What will anyone... I don't think we've given a 9 out today.
I'm too scared to give out a 9. Unless an actual baby shows up.
If we get a real baby, maybe we'll give out a 10. Yeah. I'm not sure, though. We don't know yet.
We're waiting to see what rolls to us.
Yes. Okay, aside from an actual baby, is there any other time you would give a 10? If it wasn't a real baby, but something, what would they have to do for you to give them a 10?
I'll know it when I see it. At least that's what I assume. I need to be blown away for a 10.
Okay. I get it. Bring on the next baby!
Goo Gaga. Goo Gaga.
I have to say, Goo Goo Gagas, that's a 10 in Goo Goo Gaga.
That is a 10 in Goo Goo Gagas, for sure. I mean, if you'll know it when you see it, that was a 10 for Goo Goo Gagas.
I knew. But everything else, baby similarity, she looked like a baby. I will say that.
She did look like a baby. But the sound frequencies were not coughs.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah, I will have to... sorry, Shiori, but that was not... You were not giving coughing. You were giving Goo Goo Gagas. not bad though. I'm glad that we've had 110 Goo Goo Gaga. So
Now we know.
She's our baseline. She really
For the
coughed
Goo
our
Goo
did not
Gagas.
cough our world. What was that? What was the rocket?
Was that the hydrogen bomb?
Who do you think won?
I hope it was the baby, but I don't know.
We don't know at this
We
point.
need to go check on our contestant.
Can we get some staff back there in the back of the in backstage, please? Can someone check on Shiori for us?
We need to make sure that no babies were harmed in the making of this production.
Yeah. They'll cut our funding if someone is harmed. I'm ready to give my score.
Me too.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think this is the first time we flip-flopped. I've been really harsh on everyone else, but I felt like her baby similarity. It's her makeup.
It wasn't a cough. It just wasn't a cough.
You're right. I shouldn't have been so easy on her just because her costume was really good.
The Goo Goo Gaga was there. It really was.
But when you're on the Coughing Baby Show, it's called the Coughing Baby Show.
She was only half of that baby.
She was only baby on the show. No coughing. Bring on the next baby. This one better cough.
Well, that was unexpected.
I was caught off guard, yes.
Was that a real sneeze, though?
It sounded
It's hard to fake a sneeze.
Yeah.
So if that was like a fake sneeze, that was very impressive.
I know. But on our room, okay, sound frequency may be high because it sounded like a real sneeze, but everything else, 0.
0. I mean, there was a little bit of a baby similarity, no?
What part of it? Maybe you can convince me.
It was a cute sneeze. Like maybe the sneeze of a baby. I haven't really heard a baby sneeze, but I'm assuming they do.
Okay, I'm gonna look up right now. Let me find a video of a baby sneezing. Baby sneeze. I will link this to you as well, so we can watch together and we can decide if that was baby-like. You guys can't watch this. We were stealing this video.
Okay, that is very cute. Now that I watched that, it wasn't really like a baby sneeze. I would give this baby a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, now that's a baby. It didn't cough though, so 0 in coughing.
Yeah.
But 10 Goo Goo Gaga, 10 in baby similarity. But here, sound frequency, yeah, I'll do this. I'm ready to give my score.
All right, me too.
1, 2, 3. She didn't cough.
Well, neither did Shiori.
Shiori dressed up as a baby.
I felt a little bit of baby energy, a little bit of Goo Goo Gaga. Maybe it's like the hoodie zipped all the way up, the helplessness, you know? Like, I need to help her. I need to unzip her.
Oh, yeah, like what if she's stuck? If she was in a straitjacket? And then you're like, no, I have to help that baby. Unfortunately for her, I don't get baby vibes from straitjackets.
I guess that's fair. I mean, have you seen a swaddled baby? That's essentially a straitjacket for a baby.
The baby can't escape from that.
Yeah, they like it. They like to be swaddled.
She wasn't thrashing, you know? She seemed perfectly fine in there, so I wasn't getting
Like a
any...
baby. Like a swaddled baby.
You're right. Maybe I was being too harsh on her, but I can't take this score back.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Would be unfair to the other contestants.
Yeah.
All right, Ina, I'm sorry. You were giving a little bit of baby, but not enough baby.
A little bit of baby.
You had a very good sneeze, though. That sounded like a real sneeze.
Yeah.
We were impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Bring on the next baby! My goodness! I didn't know we would be getting Sakia today.
That was very cute.
That was so cute.
Was that a real baby?
It looked like a real baby.
Oh, that was very cute. I feel like I was missing a little bit of the raspiness that you would expect from a cough.
Yeah.
But to me, that was pretty much perfect in the goo goo gagas.
A good goo goo gaga.
And very high on the sound frequencies, too.
She was giving baby. I was feeling the entire vibe of a baby, but it felt like a baby trying to act cute instead of a baby coughing because it had to cough. It was like a baby that's like, I heard it's Christmas and I want a present, you know?
Lacking a little bit of authenticity there.
I felt the baby, but not an authentic cough of a baby. Yes. So baby similarity, good goo goo gaga, sound frequencies. Was not getting that. Was not getting.
We're not getting baby cough.
Not feeling that one. All right, I have my vote.
I've got mine too.
All right, 1, 2, 3. It's still a high baby score.
For me, I don't know. It was just very cute. I had a hard time turning anything down like that. She was cute. If she came to my home and was like, I was left here on Christmas, and I was like, oh no, we have got to get you to the closest department store so I can buy you some goodies. But I have to be a fair judge. One of us has to be.
Are you admitting to being biased?
Or am I accusing?
Accusing me? No. Bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this! According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, Staff-san.
Thank you, Staff-san.
I feel like I was so stunned that I didn't process what I was hearing properly.
You're like, oh my goodness, staff submitted a coughing baby.
I was trying to figure out which staff member it was, but I don't know.
Oh, well, playback. Well, staff, I was getting the frequencies, but I don't think I was getting a goo goo gaga, but it might just be because it's staff.
Maybe. I wasn't getting much goo goo gaga either, though. I do think this I feel like was not a streamer professional microphone, which I feel like was actually enhancing the experience.
Yes, because
the poor quality microphone.
A baby's not gonna have a $200, $300 microphone. The baby's coughing into their iPad.
The baby doesn't have the SM7B to cough into.
That was a pretty... Okay, the roleplay aspect of the coughing baby is ranking quite high.
Yeah.
Sound frequencies, goo goo gaga, middling.
Yeah. I liked the Xbox mic.
I really appreciate that they wanted to be a part of the coughing baby contest, though.
Yeah, me too.
They're going... Here, I will tell you who it is. But they wanted to be anonymous.
They wanted to remain anonymous.
Oh, our vote.
Our vote.
All right, staff son. 1, 2, 3. It seems that we've come to an agreement on staff. Yes.
But don't let this discourage you.
Do not be discouraged. Keep coughing.
Keep coughing.
We believe in you. Bring the next baby. Baby.
I think I called it. I think that was very good.
You really did. You did call it. I knew she had
a baby cough in her.
The sound frequency, I was like, dang, that got a little bit of the rasp in there.
Yeah.
I was feeling the coughing of a baby.
A
Maybe
little bit of
similarity too. She was crying.
Yeah.
I have to give a good score on this. But were you feeling goo goo gaga?
I was feeling the goo goo gagas.
Feeling the goo. What about it specifically? Were you goo goo and gaga'd?
It was cute. It was baby. It was sad.
It was sad. Everything we want from a child.
Yeah.
Sad.
Well, the coughing was, sad.
Would you hire this baby over the other babies?
I think I would. I think she had a well-rounded performance of coughing, of crying, of goo goo gaga baby.
All right, so I want you to create the perfect role for her, so I can kind of understand where you're coming from.
Okay, it's like a Christmas movie about a widow, a single mother widow whose baby is sick on Christmas, and a businessman from New York City sweeps her off her feet, and she convinces him to move out to the countryside. And it's about how they fall in love, and then he adopts the baby as his own child, and they have a happy family together. And Zeta plays the baby.
Beautiful. She would play a great baby in a Christmas movie.
And she has like 3 scenes.
Oh man. You really convinced me with this. I was about to give her a pretty bad goo goo gaga score, but I'm seeing it.
Well, you need to go with your own heart. Don't let me convince you on my
over
favorite.
Here. Would you say you're biased? Would you say you judged her based off of the bias?
No, well, maybe a little bit of confirmation bias. I knew she had it in her.
So you want her to win, so you're right.
No, I think I'm judging fairly.
Okay. Oh, this is tough. Now I want to rate her lower because I see your ploy.
There's no ploy.
I'm gonna have to dock her. I'm just gonna dock her a point right there.
Okay.
Still rated. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Still a good baby.
Yeah, still a very high score.
A very, well-deserved baby. Next baby, please.